Today is May 29th. I'm Susanna.
I am Vicky.
And this is Simon Says. We would like to acknowledge that we are situated on Treaty 6 territory, the traditional land of First Nations and Métis people.
As a university student, you might have heard this before a presentation or a special event. You might be wondering why this piece of information is important.
Acknowledging territory shows a recognition and respect for Indigenous peoples. Approximately 5% of the Canadian population identifies as Indigenous, yet, due to colonization, they have experienced extreme hardship.
To acknowledge the territory is the first step we can take to show respect to the people who have been living here long before us. Their language, their culture, and their social system are very important in Canada. And how are we doing at the EOS?
We are doing amazing. It is already week 4 and the energy is very vibrant and energetic, so let's keep it up. If you haven't been to SEC workshops yet, this is your week. What's the theme?
Our theme this week is Travel Alberta.
Vicky, where do you like to travel in Alberta?
My favorite place is Drumheller because there are a lot of hoodoos and dinosaur fossils.
We also asked our students where they would like to travel while they are in Alberta.
I want to visit Banff because I want to see a beautiful river.
Do you want to see a bear?
No, I don't want to see bears because they are dangerous.
Yes, good. Karako, what about you?
I want to visit Calgary because I heard there are many good restaurants.
Yes.
I want to go to Jasper because there are a lot of beautiful nature. I agree with her.
I want to go Jasper and we will go back with my host because they say it's very beautiful, it's very healing. That's it.
It's valuable to go.
Yes.
Yes.
You can learn more about Alberta during the workshop.
During the listening lab, we will listen to our special guest. We have invited Parks Canada Ranger, who is going to tell us how to create your own adventure while traveling in Alberta.
And how about other workshops?
During the read and write workshop, we will practice annotating and paragraph development. And during the conversation club, you can put your language into practice. And what's this week's adventure?
So this week we are going to do a picnic at the River Lot 11 Park. So let's join us and share some food and your stories.
We are looking forward to seeing you. Vicky, what are you doing?
I am entering the Couple Cup scores.
Who is in the lead?
Dan is in the lead. So come to Classroom J on every Wednesday during the break. You might have a chance to change the ranking.
And this was
Simon Says!
Yay!